Speaker, if we refer to this report, in section 4A to D, the Intergovernmental Relations Framework, Act 13 of 2005, all spheres of government must coordinate a policy implementation to ensure coherent governance. But furthermore, in section 41 of the Constitution, all organs of state should cooperate, fostering friendly relations, assisting to support one another, consult with matters. But here we are once again MFMA non-compliant. Section 15 clearly states that a municipality may only incur expenditure in terms of an approved budget with appropriate limits, and the SHA agreement must be funded with existing budget allocations. Otherwise, the city risks breaching the MFMA group financial services, and all future programs can cost us the service level agreement with SHA, which will mean we will lose government funding. Social Housing Act 2008. Municipalities must take reasonable steps to facilitate social housing where demand exists. This is not happening. Municipality must identify and remove certain restructure zones. Municipality may enter into performance agreement with social housing institution. The SHA mandate is under section 11 of the social grant must promote social housing, administer institutional and capital grants, and engage with municipalities and provinces to secure applications. The Freedom Fund Plus and all its members are voting against this report because the budget is not mentioned, because of the risk that we can lose the grant funding because we are non-compliant on the MFMA.